Find or read reviews that people are talking about AMERLIFE 14x9.5x9 feet hybrid polycarbonate greenhouse. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Upgraded patented quick connector. 60% of the connections use connector, used for over 10 years. Screws are pre-embedded, saving installation time. 3 DIY enthusiasts can erect in 8 hours by saving half time of others. Material upgraded. The roof of the heavy-duty greenhouse is made of 6 mm double-walled translucent PC panel, 99.99% UV protection, and transparent endurance panel, high density, not easy to break, around. Balancing light exposure and preventing plant sunburn. 14x9.5 feet hobby greenhouse and sunroom. Anti-rust aluminum frame, 1.5 mm, overall height, 9 feet, extra large space accommodating more plants, or used for recreation house, without the feeling of being cramped. Upgraded 6 feet wall height, easy to access, and no need to bend over. Windproof firmware. Anti-rust aluminum frame, 1.5 mm, 4 corner posts and 2 middle posts, with reinforced expansion screws, help bury the winter greenhouse kit deeply in the soil. Concrete or wooden floors for extra stability. Wind rating, 70 mph, snow load capacity, 30 psf. Walk-in greenhouse for better ventilation. 4.4 feet wide double swing doors, with door hooks, for easy entry to dozers and people. 2 adjustable side vents for air convection. A Victorian roof crest design is added on the top. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.